So for today, I'm going to teach you how to buy PEPE coin on your Coinbase wallet. So first, you need to access your wallet by opening the application. So make sure that your account or wallet is linked on your application downloaded on your device. So after that, you will see your main dashboard and make sure to click the buy button, which is located at the leftmost of your screen. After that, you need to change your network into Ethereum based. So you can search for Ethereum, or if you see the Ethereum network, just simply click in. And after changing the network into Ethereum, make sure that you choose the coin under the buy section, which is we will going to buy the PEPE coin. Just search for it, and after that, you will going to choose your payment method, which is when you click it, there are much payment methods under the payments, which is these are the list of all the providers, which is the debit card, credit, or even the P2P bank transfer. So after choosing your payment method, just enter the amount you wanted to buy the value of the PEPE coin. So after that, you are going to proceed or continue to payment. And that's how you buy PEPE coin on your Coinbase wallet. If you found this video so helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.